What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Absolute mic drop by Sideshow today. Wow, okay, so let's talk about this Halloween figure they're putting out. This is a 1978 Michael Myers. What is really cool about this is I feel like they took direct inspiration from Mezco and said, you know what, no, if we're going to make a Michael Myers figure, let's include everything from the 78 film. And that's exactly what they did here, man. When they announced this at Sideshow Con, just I think like a couple months ago, people weren't too enthusiastic about it because of the Tots figure. But it's really cool here that they were kind of keeping away hidden and not released to the public is that they have so many accessories with this. As you can see here, you get two knives. I think you get two knives with the Tots figure as well. But there's so much more. And one big thing for me is right here, the ghost. We're getting a Ghost Myers. I wanted a Ghost Sheet Myers, but my only option was a custom from somebody for about $600. This is the full package, ladies and gentlemen, for a 1/6 scale figure. This is going to cost you $235. And essentially what you're getting here is not only a Michael Myers figure. You're getting a Ghost Michael Myers swap out head sculpt. You're getting the phone. The only person that made the phone from the 78 film was Doggy Doc Customs or something like that. And those sold out right away. Like he didn't have a lot of them, right? So I wanted a phone for a really long time. Now I have that option. Now I have the option to get the Ghost Sheet. I could get the Ghost Sheet Myers. Yes, do I already have a 78 Myers in my collection? Yes, I do. I have a couple. But I don't have a Ghost. I don't have Myers with the telephone. And that's two things that I really, really wanted. And if collectors are smart, this is $235. When you go to checkout, you click 2. You add 2 to cart. For the people that can't collect customs, the people that can really only collect mass-produced items and 1/6 scale figures, this is your shot, man. This is a collector's dream. I dreamt of having something like this 2 years ago when I started. And the people that came before me dreamt about this for years. You know what I mean? And obviously, the customs are a lot better than this, right? But what we're getting here, essentially, is a 1/6 kit basher's dream. And that's what this is. This is none other than parts for a kit bash, right? For a lot of people. And that's fine. I even like the boots here. You know, that was one thing with the Tots. I'm looking at it. Did they give him platoon boots on the Tots figure? I can't remember. I don't know that they did. You know, it was just really lackluster as far as accessories. Now, I think the Tots figure has a better head sculpt than this. I think the coveralls are going to be better than this because they're coming directly from Tanila, right? Or they're inspired by Tanila's coveralls. The factory is duplicating Tanila's work. They're not directly from her, but it's designed from her work, which is great work. Oh, did I mention you get a pumpkin and a tombstone? That's what I'm saying, man. Look at everything that you get in this package. This is a collector's dream, a kit basher's dream. I've wanted all this stuff for a long time, and now I don't have to pay custom prices. Comes in a package for $235. It's a really interesting price point, man. You can't really get Hot Toys right now for $235, and if you can, it's usually like a female character. The prices have gone up, so for $235, Sideshow is going to give you a Michael Myers figure, a stand, interchangeable head sculpt, which is the Ghost bed sheet. You're going to get a pumpkin, tombstone, 2 knives, 1 bloody, and the telephone, and 8 interchangeable hands. I think that is a really good deal for seasoned collectors and for newer collectors. Listen, while customs are overall better in every aspect, in every department of collecting, right? When it comes to 1/6 scale figures, customs take the upper hand on mass-produced items. And that's just a fact. However, there's a lot of people that can't afford it. This is an option for those people that have been longing to have a Myers in their collection, and now they could put together a really nice figure for their display. You could take this, you could take the sculpt from the Tots, you could get custom coveralls and kind of upgrade it. You could do whatever you want. For me, this is going to be my Ghost. This is going to be my Ghost Myers, and it's going to give me a telephone, it's going to give me a pumpkin, and a tombstone. 3 things that I didn't have. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think overall, this is a great deal. And if you're looking for a Ghost Myers, and you already have the perfect 78 or something like that, this is really amazing. I'm interested to see what people like Dean Knight think that have been in the community for years, right? Because me, like I said, 2 years ago, I would have died to have this. There was nothing. And when we would look at the Mezco figure and we're like, man, they put everything into with the Mezco figure, we got everything that we get here except for the telephone. You know what I mean? And I know there was a lot of talk around that time that they wanted somebody to do, like Hot Toys, to do the same thing that Mezco did. And Mezco gave us everything. They gave us the knives. They gave us the tombstone. They gave us the Ghost Sheet. And it was an amazing deal. So I love that somebody stepped up, Sideshow, to do this. It's a mic drop from them, because when we saw this back at Sideshow Con, they kind of kept all the accessories hidden. We didn't know if it was coming with anything. Then they released Ghostface, and the accessories with that so lackluster. He doesn't come with anything. No voice changer, no phone. So we didn't really know what we were going to get with Myers. So it's really refreshing to see that they're adding all these add-ons for $235. It's a grand package, in my opinion. That is a great deal. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I know there's going to be a lot of people that are mad about this. There's going to be a lot of people that are happy about this. Listen, I think, there's a lot of people out there that just can't afford customs. And even myself, I can't go pick up a tombstone from Doggy Dock or a telephone because they're sold out. I wasn't in the market for that when they were available. So I like having the option to have those in my collection and on my display shelf. But I'm interested to know your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this and if you're going to be picking one up. If you made it this far, please hit the thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe out there. Peace.